In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete all calendar events from an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning. And the first off, we need to head over to Calendar app. As you can see, now I got some events here. The day where we have an event marked with that gray circle under it, and some of these events are from one calendar, some are from another. And now let me show you how we can easily toggle off, hide, or maybe delete all the calendar events from a certain calendar. Basically, guys, all we have to do is just head over to Calendar. In that list, we can basically uncheck mark a calendar which events we would like to hide. Let's say I want to hide US holidays. We can just deselect it and then tap at Done. That will hide all the events of a particular calendar from Calendar application. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.